Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be teaching y'all an advanced version to the downtown. Let's get into it. All right, so before we jump into it, you already know what it is. You already know what you got to do. I give y'all something, you give me something. Just give me a like. And if you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. Also comment. All the interactions help push the videos into the algorithm, which in turn gets pushed out to other skaters that might not have seen my videos. All right, so you could do that, I appreciate it. Also, I got some announcements. I do a group skate class every week, every Saturday, all right? Right here in this parking garage from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. It's a lot of fun. It's more beginner friendly. I've been doing more like dance choreography with it, but if you are in Tampa Bay area, you kind of want a group to come skate with, you want to learn some stuff, come out. All the information on diamondskates.com. I also do one-on-one private classes. All right, if you're serious about taking your skating to that next level, make sure that you check those out. All that is on diamondskates.com. Feel free to send me a DM or an email as well. If you have any questions about that. All right, check that out. This is going to be an advanced tutorial. This is not a beginner tutorial. Shout out to my beginner skaters. I've been flooding y'all with like beginner tutorials for these last couple weeks. All right, so y'all been spoiled. It's time for the advanced skaters to get a little sauce. So if you are a beginner skater and you want to give it a try, be my guest. I will try to break it down as best as I can. But just keep in mind, some of these movements are going to be next level. Okay, you're gonna need two different moves to do this. Obviously the downtown, which I have a tutorial for. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check that out. And pivots. All right, pivots, I have a tutorial on that as well. So if you want to check those two videos out, get that down and then come back, do that. All right, so we're going to be pivoting on one skate. Okay, so let's go over that first because that's the hardest part. The downtown's fairly pretty easy. So let's work on pivoting on one skate. Okay, so let's start with our left skate on the ground, right skate out like this. Okay, get balance. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do a full 360. Okay, now we're not doing a spin, we're doing two pivots to get back to the front. Okay, so the first pivot is like this. One, whoop, whoop. And the second one is two. Okay, so we're going to be doing two pivots. All right, so it's going to look like this from here. One, two. All right, how I'm doing that, I'm pressing down. So my left skate, I'm pressing down on the toe slightly, and then I'm setting the heel back down and then pressing down on it again. All right, so try that. One, two. Okay, and you kind of want it to be light. You don't want to press down too hard because you're going to probably do a spin, and that's not what you want. You want your landing to be super, super light so that you can easily transition back into the downtown, which I haven't shown y'all yet. But we have to get this pivot turned down first because it's the hardest one. Okay, so let's work on the left skate. So here, boom, boom. All right, and all I'm doing is my right skate, I'm bringing it back. All right, so crouching my knee like this. And when I get ready to swing, I go up. See that? So from here, boom. Okay? So boom, boom. That wasn't the best one, but I'm trying to do it slow, which is really hard. So let's try doing it real speed. Real speed is like this. Boom, boom. Okay? So try that. So boom, boom. Okay? All right. Now we have to work on the right leg, which is actually not my worst leg, but turning this way isn't my best way. So you're gonna find out that one of these feel awkward, probably. All right, which is good. It's just how it is. All right, so right skate, the left, boom, boom. See, See how much more awkward that was for me? That's because I feel better being on my left. All right, and let me redeem myself. So from here, boom, boom. Okay? Work on that. You want to be able to do both legs pretty good. You don't have to be an expert, but good enough. So from here, boom, boom. Let me see. Another thing too, I like doing a full 360 because it just looks better, like aesthetically, whenever you're doing it. But you don't necessarily have to do a full 360. So let's say if you're doing it, you can go 1, 2. So you see how I landed sideways? You can still do that and still do the movement because you are doing the downtown, and you can pretty much move wherever you want with that. So it's not a big deal. I just think it looks better if you keep everything clean. So spin, boom, spin. So let's try the left leg. Let's try that again. So from here, boom, boom. All right. Now right. Here, boom, boom. Okay. Now let's actually do the transition that you're going to be doing from the downtown. This time, after you do those 2 pivot turns, leave your right skate out, cross over, okay, like you're doing a crossover, kick out, okay, and then pivot back the other way. So from here, 1, 2, cross over, 1, 2, cross over. Actually, you know what? I lied. Don't do that. That's not the transition. Let's just do the downtown. All right, so this is how you get into it. Let's start with our left. So we're gonna go 1 and 2, okay? Right there is where you're gonna kick and pivot to the right, okay? So left skate, cross over, 1 and 2, boom, boom. Okay, try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, boom, boom. All right, now as you see, my skate is in position to then cross over and do it to that side. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. From here, 1 and 2, boom, boom. Okay, let's try that again. So crossing over with our right, 1 and 2, boom, boom. Now your right skate is out in position to do it again. 1 and 2, boom, boom, 1 and 2, boom, boom, 1 and 2. Ooh, what's that? What's that, huh? I guess I can show you that one, which is a lot harder. It's actually going to be doing a 1-foot spin. So instead of doing 2 pivots, instead of going 1, 2, you're actually going to be going 1 and then going into it, which is that's like pro level. I can show it to you if you want though, if you're ready. Let me see. Sure, why not? So same thing, just instead of 2 pivots, 1-foot spin. Okay, so 1 and actually first, wait, hang on a second. Let's make sure that you can actually do a 1-foot spin first. So you have to be able to do it on both skates. Okay, so left, boom, skate out. You're gonna whip it. Now this time, you're gonna press down on your toes, but you're gonna do a 360 instead of a 180, okay? So it's gonna look like this. From here, boom, boom. Okay, so you see how I went from here, skate back, and then I brought it back in, or out. So here, boom, out, to kind of stop my spin. So work on that. Here, boom, boom. Then you cross to go back into the downtown. All right, work on the left leg. Now we have to do the right, which I suck at, I'll be honest. So same thing, gonna be on our right, left skate out, okay? You're going to bring it around, and when you do, you're going to press down onto your toes. You're not going to do a 180, and do a 360, okay? So I'm going to go back, out, okay? Try it. From here, boom, boom, okay? Cross over, downtown, boom. Woo, shit. I'm telling you, ain't no joke. And in my defense, it's a lot harder to teach it going slow. So, yeah, let's try that. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, spin, stop. 1 and 2, spin, stop. 1 and 2, stop. 1 and 2, spin, stop. 1 and 2, stop. 1 and 2, stop. Woo. Yeah, so that is like the pro version. I don't expect y'all to be able to do that. That one's gonna take some work. And make sure that you're on an even surface. This is kind of slanted a little bit, so I'm feeling it as I'm spinning. So try to make sure that you're on a flat surface. It's gonna help out a lot. That's pretty much it. Let me see. Let me see if I got something for the beginners. The beginners are watching. Well, maybe not beginners, but okay, so if you're an intermediate skater and you can't do the 1 foot pivot, okay, whatever. We'll figure out something else for you to do. So instead of doing that, just go 1, 2, 3. Now, once you go to bring your leg up, don't leave it on the floor, okay? And you're actually gonna do a spin with both skates on the ground, okay? So from here, spin back, kick out. Now you're in position to do the downtown to this side. 1, 2, 3, out. Now you're gonna spin to the left. Boom, out. 1, 2, 3, spin, out. 1, 2, 3, spin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, spin, out. 1, 2, 3, spin, out. 3, boom. 1, 2, 3, boom. Okay. So if you're an intermediate skater and you can't get the 1 foot pivots, try that. All right. Well, that is pretty much it on the advanced downtown. There are a ton of different versions. This one I just thought it'd be fun and it'll challenge you guys and also give the advanced skaters something to work on. So, damn, I'm sweating. Work on that, get to practicing, and shoot. I'll see y'all next time. All right. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Peace.